Hi, this is Greg White, the National Sales Manager for the Casite Company. Today we're going to show you our new Easy Connect tire inflator and the difference between ours and the leading competitors. First thing you notice is the Easy Connect connection. On the competitors, you have to hook this to the valve stem and twist it on. Ours is an Easy Connect. You push it on the valve stem and it just pushes on and locks. Second thing you'll notice is the one-touch locking actuator. The actuator, once you hook up to the valve stem, you push this down and it locks. The benefits to that is you don't have to sit and hold this button down while you're inflating the tire. This usually takes about 2 to 2.5 minutes. I want to show you how easy this Easy Connect is. You just push it on the valve stem, you push it down and it's locked on. Now we'll show you the competition. Again, the number one failure on these is the plastic screwing onto the metal threads. Now if you don't get this just right, it will leak out. And again, once you've inflated the tire, you have the same situation where you have to unscrew when you're done, as opposed to the Easy Connect. Now as you notice, these are different sizes. Ours comes in a 18 ounce, this is an 18 ounce, this is a 16 ounce, and this is a 20 ounce. When we show you the inflation on the demo bags that we have, you'll see that the Casite Easy Connect tire inflator inflates much better. We say 25% more inflation power than the competition. The proof is in the demo. We'll show you how this works and why tire repair places don't mind using the Easy Connect that cleans up with just water or soap and water. Now let's take you outside and show you the demo. Again, we're outside. We're going to show you how the Easy Connect tire inflator works better than the competition. These bags are to simulate a tire. Again, you just snap it on, push down the one-touch locking actuator, and away it goes. We'll show the competition here where you have to screw it on. Once you get it screwed on, you have to sit and push and hold the button down. Now by holding the button down, can you imagine yourself on the side of the road somewhere with traffic going by and you trying to inflate your tire to get you out of harm's way? Again, this takes about 2.5 minutes to show you. Imagine being on the side of the road with cars going by, either you, your wife, your daughter, your son, and trying to get out of harm's way. The other neat feature with this, because it is a tire inflator sealer, when you do get to the repair shop, ours will clean up with soap and water or just plain water, whereas the competition will eat away at the chemistry of the tire. Now the problem with that, as with any tire inflator, when you get to the repair shop, what you're going to want to do is show or tell the tire repair guy that not only did you use one, but you used a non-flammable, or if you did happen to use a flammable tire inflator, that you tell them that you did use one. Again, we're showing our 18 ounce versus the competition's 20 ounce tire inflator. But once again, once it's filled, you'll see why you're going to want to use the Casite Easy Connect tire inflator as opposed to the competition. I'm still holding this down, waiting for this to fill up. And this is designed, this particular one is a 20 ounce designed for trucks and larger tires or SUVs. You can see why you would want to use the Casite Easy Connect tire inflator. We'll hold this down and let me switch fingers here because it's getting a little hard to hold down, but okay, again with the one-touch locking actuator, you just push that in and it's disconnected. We'll still hold this one down. But what you want to do then is drive your tire or drive the vehicle so that the sealing properties coat the whole tire and seal the tire, and you may need to put some more air into the tire to get you totally where you need to be to a tire repair place. But as you can see from the picture, our Easy Connect tire inflator inflates, we say 25% more inflation as opposed to the competition. Okay, it looks like we're finally done. We'll go ahead and disconnect this. And again, you want to drive the tire so that the sealing properties can get throughout the tire, seal the tire. So once you've driven the car, you need to get to safety. You tell me, is the Casite Easy Connect or the competition 20 ounce the one you want to put in your car? As you can see, this is the competitor's 20 ounce, this is the competitor's 16 ounce, this is the competitor's 18 ounce. As we say, Easy Connect will inflate 25% more. Would you want to drive on a tire inflated this much or that much? With the cost of tires and rims today, you make the choice. The Easy Connect tire inflator or the competition. As we say, the Easy Connect blows away the competition.